How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a deeper voice permanently, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So I've been doing this, these two exercises for about 5 years. My voice has gotten way deeper. Probably take a month or two before you start to see just like a big difference in your voice. So first exercise, we're going to move air in and out through our stomach. So you don't want to do this. You don't want your chest to rise and fall like it normally should. You want to push air in and out through your stomach. So if you do it correctly, your hand should move forward and back. Put your hand on your stomach and then just go like this. Again, I've been doing this for years. I make it look really easy. When you start off, you might do this. You might forget how to breathe in and out through your stomach. Perfect. Quick little break. So I typically do about 5 sets and about 30 to 50 repetitions. So anywhere from about 150 to 250 reps, I will do of that. I'll do it every other day. Next exercise is breathing, taking a big deep breath and holding for a second. So like this, hold for a second, out. Hold for a second, out. With that one, I will do about 10 reps and I'll do about 5 sets. So I'll do about 50 repetitions. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.